Many affectionate relationships suffer because one or both partners become too preoccupied to notice small details. Lack of communication often leads to downfall of many relationships, and even the good ones can fall when there is no better communication. How often do you engage in a heartfelt conversation with your partner throughout the year? I'm talking about a conversation that will not lead to quarrel and fights, or emotional outbursts, or one trying to play on the other. When somebody, your partner, is trying to tell you what he doesn't like, instead of you to give attention to it and you start playing emotion. After watching this video, consider calling your partner, your wife, your boyfriend, or whoever it is, and let the two of you have a heartfelt conversation. Discuss the issues which you have felt are endangering your relationship. And feel free to share this request with me, because I think I can discern a genuine intention. When your partner is telling you, this is what I want to do and this is what she wants to do, I can tell you for free whether it is coming from a pure heart or not. Through this process, you can identify your partner's love language and make a deliberate commitment to improving your relationship. But what exactly is love language? Because I've used this in this message and in this video. Love language is very vital. When you understand that of your partner's love language, then relationship can thrive, and when you are willing to pay the price. According to Gary Chapman, a love language is a unique way in which an individual perceives and expresses love. Embracing your partner's love language doesn't absolve you of your responsibilities. That your love language does not mean every other thing you're not going to do. Rather, it enhances the depth of your relationship. Yes, that is very important. It enhances it and makes it better. And your ability to know my love language or your partner's love language and keep to it is very vital, because in this point you know her boundaries, you know what she loves, and she knows what you love. And when the two of you know this and you are willing to pay a part in order to fulfill it and to feed her love language, then you get her, and the relationship can blossom, and everybody will be happy again in the family. And I am sure this is what you are expecting. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it, and also you can DM me. Let's talk about it if you're having an issue. Thank you.